but I'm gonna use every single like bit of it. It still have a lot. It will look like it's empty. Make sure you close it. Okay, what dragon scales? I was thinking of this one. It looks good with stickers as well. Okay, I'll do the dragon scale. This dragon scale is still one of my favorites nail art placements, like glitter, but it's like glitter, but it's not like flat glitter, so it's have texture on it, and you can just like dress up or dress down with it. It's cool. So no wipe top coat. So a lot of question, do I care condensed glue gel? No, I do not. It's still wet. So what you need to do is floating the no wipe top coat right on the top, getting like a half beads wipe up on one side that you're not going to place on the top of condensed glue gel, and the other side you pick up enough your no wipe top coat. And now keep in mind, if you know exactly where you are going to place your crystals, definitely you can apply just on that spot. But I'm always getting on full nails because it's thick condensed glue gel, but it's not like pile up in the mountains that you feel that it's gonna flood your crystal. If you do so, give it a try. It's the second time, and then use a little bit less of condensed glue gel because you need the condensed glue gel, but you don't need to flood your crystal. So give it a try again and you'll get the hang of it. It's really easy and fast. It's so beautiful. Like I created for you, and I feel like I don't want to destroy it. I can put the pumpkin right here, but let's do some dragon scale. So see, dragon scale, like there are no right way or wrong way to do dragon scale. You can definitely simply, it's just, you can do it like this side or you can do it this side. It doesn't matter. It's, you can do however the way. I'm gonna do just if you see the halo like this one right here, you can do that also. I see Dom do that with the make it the whole dragon is really good. And if you want to flip it, just give it your tray a little shake and it's gonna come right, like it's gonna flip right in the way you wanted it. So place one first. I have a mix of variety of a dragon scale colors here. I see like have an orange, and I see like have a really cool colors, like it's good colors of the selections for the dragon scales. I'm gonna just place them together and see what's up. So I'm gonna place them next to each other, and always using the other end of your crystal pickers. It will help you adjusting your dragon scale without touching too much of the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat on your. That's it. Here's you want dragon scale. If you want the whole nails, you can continue. So here's it's really easy. So I always start in the middle of the nails if you want to decide to doing it right in the center. So then that give you a really good guideline. But if you decide you want to do it on the left or the right, do so. But if you want to do ombres of dragon scale, we have a lot of videos for the ombre dragon scale and the crystal with dragon scales on our Facebook, I think Instagram, and also YouTube as well. I am absolutely loving this. Never not loving the dragon scale. And then you can go on and on and on and on. If you want this one, this part right here to connect together. And is this one, it looks like I'm showing you is taking time. Actually, it's not. So when you're doing your dragon scale, if you want to line them up, you're going to see like 1, 2, 3 line up. So you will never go wrong with this. It's super easy. And it's really fun to do. And the clients loves it. Kind of like they're getting a crystal, but it's not the crystal because it's not like is a lot of texture like crystal, but it still have effects of like sparkles and shiny. And I'm gonna lock them with a couple of the crystal right here, and you can add some more. You can add more dragon scale here as you want to. You can add it right here. You can design however you would like. You can make it along with the nails. You can make it like half the nails, full nails. Can you see? It's just like kind of the background. That's what colors I have in this. You see, it Dom had the green, the kind of a green golden one. It's beautiful as well. See, so this one is really simple. Done. This one has really cool. It's had a lot of like going on. It's had the fusioning and gel painting, and it's good already. We're just like playing around with this, but you don't have to go and like, as you say, you love the fusioning. It looks like that. Just stop right there. Don't go further if you don't want to. And then if you want, you can add beads on. You don't have to. I just show every possibility that you can do with the design, but you can stop anytime. Because when you're doing for the client's nail, you can stop at any stage of the design. Because the more designs you get, the more like, I mean, the ticket you're gonna get. All right, good, cool. I can go more if you want to, and then if you want, you can definitely go more using the dot tool on the sides. If you're doing for your client's nails, also you can wipe it on the side to remove all the excess. Is top coat or condensed glue gels before you curing it. So now let's cure this beauty for 60 seconds.